Thanks for joining me. This is Angie at ChicnScratch. This is the project we're making today, and this is week 9 of the 12 weeks of Halloween. Okay, so inside here I have a little fruit pie. I get these at the grocery store. It will also hold some other candy that I will show you further in the video. Okay, the measurements for this project are going to be on your screen. They're also going to be in the free PDF over on my website. So here's the supplies. We're going to start by doing our stamping. So we're going to stamp these little trick-or-treaters here and then our greeting, and then we'll die cut those out. So we've got pumpkin pie and basic white. I'm using Memento ink, and I have just re-inked this, so hopefully I'm not going to mess up. That looks good. That looks really wet. I might have to do it again, so we'll see. As I suspected, we will stamp that again. Perfect. Okay, so just to recap, this was the first time and this is the second time. I just needed to turn it over and ink it like this. So I did it upside down, whereas the first time I just tapped it on the ink pad. So if you have any difficulty, just turn it upside down, okay? So we'll set these aside now, and what we're gonna do next is get our little bats covered with the washi tape. I can't talk today. Okay, so I've got my silicone craft sheet, and I'm just going to take 2 strips, and you guys have seen me do this. This is not the first time I've done it. Okay, there's that. So we're going to be cutting out 3 bats. These are the dies we're using today. The deckled, not sure, deckled rectangles, stylish shapes, layering circles, and the scary silhouettes. I've got my die cut machine here. We're going to cut the greeting out. And like I said, that is the stylish shape dies. And then we've got the trick-or-treaters. These are the deckle something. And then we've got the bats, and then we also have the house. So let's see if we can get every one of these done at the same time. Okay, so here's all of our pieces, and I went ahead and die cut that off screen. This basic black cardstock measures 9 by 3 3/4. We're going to place it on the 9-inch side, and I'm going to score it at 1 3/4, 2 1/2, 4 1/4, and 5. We're going to fold on the score lines and burnish with our bone folder. Now next week I'm going to make a different version of this project, and I'm going to make it a different size. So this will hold, like I said, these little Hostess fruit pies. It'll also hold some snack size candy, but we're going to make it bigger next week. So I'm going to round the top corners. And then the designer series paper is also going to get rounded, just the top. And then I'm going to attach it right there. So I'm just going to turn that over and add my liquid glue. Okay, there's that. Now we're gonna fold this like that. So we're gonna put our liquid glue here. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to head over to my blog and print your free PDF. It does have all the measurements and a picture. And if you can't find that PDF, let me know. I always put it right under the video box. So I place this video on my blog, and then right under it, I put your documents for you to print. So sometimes there's a box template. Whoops, sorry about that, ding. I thought I muted everything. Okay, there's that part. Now, we're gonna build the rest of this out. My ink's a little heavy on this one. So we're gonna use our black Stampin' Dimensionals. These black dimensionals are actually one of my host code gifts right now, along with some linen thread. So, okay, then this one's gonna go here, just like that. Same thing, we're gonna put the black Stampin' Dimensional. Okay. Then the little house is just going to get added with liquid glue. So I'm just going to turn that over and add just a little bit in the middle here and right there. And we're bringing it over to the left side and then down. Hold that just a second, let it dry. And then we're going to place one of our bats right there. So you can use whatever adhesive you prefer. I'm just going to use my liquid glue. Okay. Now this one's going to go up here, but we want to first add our, I keep forgetting the name of this stuff. Washi tape. We love washi tape. Okay, so you don't have to measure anything. You can see there's straight line and then there's torn line. Whatever floats your boat. I'm okay with it having the tear line. But if you want yours straight, you can do that too. And then let's see. This would be the hardest part of this, is finding where it ends and where it begins. And I might have to stop the video just to find it. Okay, here's this one. Someone asked me the other day if they ordered Halloween product, would they get it in time? Yes, orders are taken about a week to 10 days, so you can still order Halloween product and get it in time. So if you need help placing an order, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. And I just realized I'm not adding any space in between these. So there's a little bit of space here, and then not on this one. Not that big of a deal though, right? Okay, so I'm going to put dimensionals on this one again, or this one too. And then after I get the other two bats on here, I'm going to show you some additional candy that will fit in here. Okay, so there's that. Maybe I added it a little low. I love using dimensionals because you can always peel it back up real quick without damaging your project. Okay, so the second bat is going to get added over here. And then our last bat, oh, come on, glue. Okay, let me show you some other candy. These little miniature Reese cups. So you just bend the paper down and then you slide them in. So it will hold 3 of them perfectly. Okay, so you got miniature Reese cups or fruit pies. Okay, so that wraps up week number 9. I hope you've enjoyed my project. Don't forget to print your free PDF and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Have a great day.